Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this like quality effect on your videos in CapCut PC. Quality edit, sorry. Go to local and select your video. I'm just going to select this one. Then I am going to adjust it, so I'm just going to go to adjustments here. Then I'm going to, oh my god, I'm losing my voice, sorry. Go to brightness and turn it up to 15. And you're going to do that for contrast too. Then after that, you are going to go to saturation, which is here. And then you're going to turn it up to like 25-ish. And then after that, you're going to go to exposure, which is on the PC. I think it's illumination. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's this one. Minus 50. And then sharpen it up to 100. If the saturation is too much for you, just edit it a little bit like so. And just adjust it a little bit like that, so it's not too like bright. So I would change these two, saturation and illumination. But that is it, really super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!